fuel tank. It's right underneath. Dozer, the dozer cylinder right there. I can start it up for you. Yeah, we have the drive levers, 10 right, 10 left, 10 right. A reverse, forward, yeah, pretty much. It's the dash, the joystick, and the other joystick this side. Dozer lever. The rev, yeah, this way we actuate the rev key on. As you can see, my dash is on. So I'm gonna start it up for you. So I started up, and this is the rev. As you can see, I'm revving off, rev on. So when I want to use it, I can unlock this gear here, like that. So when I unlock that, here I can rev it, then I can actuate, as you can see, my bucket up. And if I lock this lever, it will automatically turn off the rev, and I cannot actuate anything. As you can see, it cannot move. But when you can lock, it will move. So let me switch that off. Yeah, pretty much that's what we have on an excavator, basics. Well, to me, I'll post another video showing more stuff, and cheers.